Now I'm continue my presentation of the digestive tract with the accessory digestive system, and previously I have described you the alimentary canal and its parts in detail. Now I'm going to describe you the accessory digestive system. The accessory digestive system consists of the salivary glands, and these are the organs of the accessory digestive system, which helps to synthesize and secrete the digestive enzymes to further break down the food into the nutrients through the chemical digestion. And the salivary glands are paired structure in the oral cavity, and they secrete the saliva and the other enzymes that mix with the masticated or the chewed food to form the bolus. And there are three major salivary glands in the oral cavity. I have already shown you in my first slide of my presentation. These are the parotid glands, submandibular glands, and the sublingual glands. Then the liver, which is also the part of the accessory digestive system. It is another important organ of the accessory digestive system, and it is located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen and beneath the right hemidiaphragm. And the liver has two anatomical lobes but 8 functional segments. In addition to producing bile, it also digests the fats, and all of the nutrients are absorbed from the small intestine, enter the liver via the hepatic portal venous system. Here you can see the two lobes, right lobe of the liver and then the left lobe of the liver, and this is the duct that carry the bile from the liver. And here is the gallbladder. The gallbladder, from the liver, the nutrients are integrated into various catabolic processes and sent throughout the body. And most of the bile made by the liver is stored in the gallbladder, and this muscular sac-like organ that resides on the posterior surface of the liver drains its contents into the extrahepatic biliary tree after having a fatty meal. And then the pancreas, finally the pancreas is a retroabdominal organ, and that allows or that provides enzymes for digestion, and the head of the pancreas is found within the C-shaped loop of the duodenum, and the body extends superior laterally behind the gastric antrum, and the tail of the pancreas terminates at the hilum of the spleen. Here you can see it. This is the body of the pancreas, this is the tail of the pancreas, which resides at the spleen or the hilum of the spleen, and this is the head. Which resides at the C-shaped loop of the duodenum. Here. This is the gallbladder. This is the pancreatic duct, and this is the spleen. So this is all about the digestive system, including the alimentary canal and accessory digestive system or organs. Hope you all will get my presentation clearly, and if you have any questions regarding this presentation, you can ask me anytime. Good luck for your future. Thank you so much.